an AC voltage is applied to pure inductor, the current in the inductor. Now suppose we are having an inductor across which an alternating EMF E equal to E0 sine of omega t is applied. On applying an alternating EMF E equal to E0 sine of omega t, current is set up in an inductor, and we know that E is equal to minus of d phi by dt as per Lenz's law, but flux phi is equal to L into I. Therefore, E is equal to EMF induced E is equal to minus d dt of L into I. L is constant, take it outside, so it is minus L into di by dt, minus L into what? Di by dt, or di is equal to, see here, as far as this EMF is concerned, this EMF and induced EMF, they are opposite in direction. They are what? Opposite in direction. So in magnitude we can take E is equal to L into di by dt. So di is equal to E divided by L into dt, E divided by L into what? Dt. But what is E equal to? E equal to E0 sine of omega t. So di is equal to 1 by L E0 sine of omega t into dt, E0 sine of omega t into dt. So what is integration of di? Taking integration on both the side, limit is 0 to I. Here limit is what? 0 to t. 0 to t. So integration of di is I, that is equal to 1 upon L. What is integration of sine omega t? Integration of sine omega t is minus cos omega t upon omega. Minus cos omega t upon omega. Limit 0 to t plus some constant of integration c, and that value of c is equal to 0. So I is equal to, take this omega outside, 1 upon omega L, and this E0 is also constant, that is taken outside that integration. So E0 upon omega L in bracket minus cos of omega t, minus cos of omega t, E0 by omega L, say it is I0, peak value of current, minus cos omega t can be written as sine of omega t minus of pi by 2. So we are having an alternating EMF E equal to E0 sine omega t applied across an inductor, and the current set up in an inductor is I equal to I0 sine of omega t minus pi by 2. Here the presence of factor minus pi by 2 indicates that this current I, it lags behind the voltage. Current I lags behind the voltage E by phase angle of pi by 2. So current in inductor always lags behind the voltage by what? Pi by 2. Current in inductor always lags behind the voltage by pi by 2. So also we know from the phasor diagram, here as far as the phasor diagram for inductor is concerned, this is EMF across inductor, this is current flowing through inductor. The phase angle between applied voltage and EMF, applied voltage and current is 90 degree, and EMF leads the current, or current lags behind the EMF by phase angle of pi by 2. So option D is the correct option for this question.